I blame you for that, Billy.
It is no secret that those first few dark, cold months of the year are tricky. Stresses, burnout, anxieties can really creep up. So, to combat the winter blues, throughout January and February, we had every Wednesday afternoons off, or as we like to call it, 3 hours free. Total freedom to do whatever we wanted with the time, whether that was getting out into nature, doing something active, looking after little ones, a spot of baking, the list goes on and on. As you can see, people got up to some weird and wonderful things, so I took it upon myself to get out and about to find out exactly how people were spending their time. And here's how I got on.
My arms are like shaking already.
Good job. See him as a climber?
If he takes after his dad now.
Enjoying the 3 hours free today then?
Yeah, it's good. Becky's decided to use it to go and get her hair cut, so we've decided to use it to go climbing, haven't we? I use flexibility a lot, like working before traditional work, after traditional work, to be able to care for him, but also do my own stuff as well, like exercise, whatever else. You're not chained to your desk from 9 till 5. So it just reminds people they can do that, and if they complete their work faster, then take the time and do something fun.
Do we need chanting? Do we need applause? Do we need a rapturous crowd?
Maybe. I blame you for that.
It was good. Here he is.
Hi Billy.
As we see, you're spending your 3 hours free
Donating blood.
donating blood.
Mm-hmm.
Very wholesome, very giving of you.
That and it stops them from hounding me. I've been doing it every day for about 3 months. I want to do it more regularly, but again, like things get in the way and then they don't do the times that are always free for me. So it kind of works quite nicely and it's just a good opportunity. Been meaning to do it for quite a while.
Well, big question. What biscuit will be your biscuit of choice post giving blood?
They never have the one that I want, so I'll probably go for a Club Orange or a Club Mint.
What would be your choice?
Club Raisin.
Club Raisin. Scandalous. Well, enjoy, mate. Take care.
Yeah.
This is up.
Like Nimbus, yeah. Oh dear.
70 quid these.
Oh dear. Well, hopefully it doesn't slow you down. No guesses for what you're doing with your 3 hours?
Yeah, I'm trying to keep my running up through the winter months. Gonna run to Hyde Park, around Hyde Park, and hopefully get back.
How many K will that be?
Probably about 15, 16.
Beautiful day for it. Get some fresh air in your lungs.
Yeah, it should be alright. Should be alright.
Very studious. What are you reading, Ree? What are you reading?
Called How to Kill Your Family, which is obviously a bit awkward because my sister's sat right here, but I swear it's a novel and not a manual.
What did you do last week on your 3 hours free?
I took it on Friday instead because it's totally flexible, which is the beauty of it, and went out for drinks in Shoreditch, which was really fun.
Well, cool thing, being able to take time whenever you need it, midweek as well. Sometimes it's nice just to break the week a little bit.
Yeah, Wednesday's the best day for it, I'd say, just because I feel like that's when everyone naturally has a bit of a slump anyway.
There's obviously this debate running at the moment of all about like the 4-day working week and stuff. Our kind of antidote to that is like you don't need a set day off a week. If possible, you should just be able to manage your time flexibly and work it in kind of time off that you need in and around your calendar.
Yeah.
Would you agree?
I would agree, yeah. And I think working where we work, there's less of a need for the 4 days, as you say, because we have so much flexibility and it's all about you basically managing your time. So there are loads of weeks where I may be doing it more intense, like 3 hours or 4 hours of working and then have like a bit more of like a lax day the next day. There isn't as much of like a measurement on your time any further, so yeah.
A 3 hours free, well spent. Some food over there.
It's lovely. We had a session fries, schofferhofer, burgers, etc.
And a whole lot of togetherness.
Yeah,
I think it's the main thing.
Yeah. How much do you enjoy having Wednesday afternoons off?
So much. Yeah. 4-day working week sounds really good in practice, but then if you're going to work like 10 to 12 hours a day, whereas like we can work our normal hours and then have a Wednesday afternoon off, we're living the dream really, aren't we? So.
Love that.
There we go.
Would you agree, James?
I will drink to that, yeah.
There we have it. Journey Further's answer there to the 4-day working week debate. Simply give your staff the freedom and flexibility to manage their own time in and amongst their own calendars, and everybody is a winner. The only thing left to do now is to ask you to subscribe if you're not already, and if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like. It really would mean a lot to me. And finally, if you want to join us here at Journey Further, then head on over to the careers page on the website. There are loads of current job roles on offer waiting to be filled, and we can't wait to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.